COVID pandemic, it came with the bang. I still remember vividly when we got our first patient towards end of March, and we were all really, you can say, scared rather than being prepared. But we didn't have time to stay scared. We just went in and started taking care of everything around us, and we had to increase our capacity overnight by 100%, you can say, and over next 2 years we increased our capacity by 500%. And it is really amazing how we did that. You can say it's all a teamwork. Everyone was in it together, and when everyone is in together, nothing is impossible. And that's why we were happy to see good outcomes among the patients. We did lose some on the way, but sadly they were beyond our help. So it has been definitely a wonderful experience. Today we can say that we are prepared for any calamity. I can say today that pandemic is over, but God forbid if it comes again, we will be in it together, we'll be ready to face it again and take care of the patients who need us at all times. I still remember some of the patients whom we thought that there is absolutely no hope, and suddenly something would click and the patients start turning over, and some of them, their images are clear in our mind. And the worst thing was giving updates to the families, the counseling part, because they couldn't come to see the their near and dear ones who are suffering alone in the hospital. So we took it up as a challenge where we would call them every day, and along with them we would shed tears, but at the same time show them courage and keep them hopeful that their near and dear ones are well taken care of. So let's hope that it doesn't come back. So I request everyone to stay safe. Please follow the precautions that you have been told to do: hand washing and social distancing. I know we have all waited 2 years to enjoy a little bit, but still it's not over yet. So please continue to take precautions for yourself, for your near and dear ones, and for all those healthcare workers who are fighting hard every day, who unfortunately some of them also lost their lives. So please, for them and for y'all, for everyone in the country and for the world, please take care of things that can prevent this pandemic from coming back. So taking care of patients was one aspect. However, when the healthcare workers became sick and got admitted with COVID, that was really a difficult time for us. I still remember when 2 of the doctors got admitted in our ICU. One was an Omani and one was an Indian doctor. And they went through the entire process of COVID illness, being on the ventilator and going towards the stage where at one point we felt that are they really going to come back? And then lo and behold, they recovered and they got back to normal, and today they are leading a completely normal life. So that gives a sense of achievement, that makes us feel that yes, as doctors we can go in any time and do our job. So here's wishing all of you a happy National Day. Keep doing what you are good at. Good luck to all of you, and stay safe and take care.